This is a review for the 2.8 quart enameled Lexi Home cast iron Dutch oven I got from Amazon. I really like the weight of this Dutch oven, and the Dutch oven itself feels durable and well made. Also, the knob on the lid is solid and it came already attached, so no tools required. When you lift the lid, you can see there are 3 little rubber protectors the lid sits on, and that helps to prevent it from scratching when you restore the Dutch oven. I'm really glad that they thought about that. The diameter is about 8.5 inches, and this Dutch oven is perfect for stews, sauces, and bread. And here you can see I baked the bread, and I just took this out of the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use this for gas, electric, and it also works on induction. This is really exactly the Dutch oven and the size I wanted,